development partners.
Jaod Bura Masuba North Millie Odhiambo okwedo mokalo meko mar Rose Njeri-ma en jandiko kendo jalony e lony manyasani maliekore ni ne oloso mbui mamiyo jopiny thuolo machiwo pachgi ewi paro mar chik mar omenda ma 2025-26. Millie mane loso e kinde romo manokelo kanyakla jood bura ma mine e boma ma Nairobi okoni moko kuom jotelo mar Kenya Kwanza onge kod paro mar konyo jopiny. Okoni jo Kenya owinjo yienegi chiwo pachgi ma ok omakgi nikech kwedo telo mar Kenya Kwanza.
The people around the presidency, there are some people who are overexcited, and if you see me coming out here, I'm coming out because that's not the only one I've seen. I may not say the others, but they should stop being overexcited. And we cannot allow a situation where any voice of dissent is criminalized. Even me, I have people in my constituency that speak against me. We allow them, let them speak. But ultimately, the best person will win. And so for instance, while Homa Bay was going on very well, then you see this lady being arrested. What sense?